Shayon is a 23-year-old professional footballer who plays as a forward for AFC Wimbledon. Harrison made his professional debut for Tottenham on the 25th of October 2016 in a 2-1 defeat to Liverpool in the EFL Cup. In 2017, Harrison joined League Two side Yeovil Town. And then for the second half of the 2017-2018 season, Harrison went on loan to Southend United. In January 2019, Harrison went on loan to Australian club Melbourne City of the A-League, playing 11 games, scoring 4 goals and getting 1 assist. In the summer of 2019 transfer window, Harrison signed for Almere City in Holland, where he played 33 games, scoring 8 times and getting 4 assists. On the 8th of February 2021, Harrison joined League One side AFC Wimbledon on a free transfer.